nothing can come in to harm us any longer. Nothing. Because that aura is our Coast Guard. That aura will not let anything in unless it is beneficial to that particular person. This is what's going to happen. So remember, we are double. From the neck down, chemical. And from the neck up, we should become physical. And I personally think that the blood will not be upstairs any longer. I'm just guessing this, but this is the sensing I get. That circle of Willis will disappear. Blood is not needed in the physical. Air is needed. So our ventricles upstairs, our lateral, our third and our fourth ventricles, again ventricles, they are digestors. That water must disappear and be filled up with a new air that is the new medium. And as that medium is up here, so will the medium be out here. No longer will we have to say we have to adjust ourselves to the outside. The outside becomes as you and me. There's a difference. Far-fetched, the truth seems far-fetched, but it's simple. It is simple. Oh, there's so much more to tell you, but I think I've stunned many of you tonight, which I wanted to do. Because if I don't irritate you, you will never get the pearls of wisdom. It's only through irritation in this world can you start to build pearls. It's only through irritation that an oyster makes a pearl. Right? And that pearl is a symbol of wisdom, which is up here. Now they tell us so much about the brain doing this and the brain doing that, when they tell us at the very beginning the most it can function is 7%, and yet they allot all these functions to the brain. Something wrong someplace, isn't there? The brain is dead asleep, my dear people. And that is when all those who finally awaken and come up out of their deep sleep and be alive again. When each cell in our brain becomes alive again, then this will relay the messages to the center, which will probably be the pineal gland upstairs. And remember, this heart here make us live maybe 120 years. But when this heart attaches itself to this upper soul here, then we earn eternity. Okay?
Anyone like to ask Pasquale anything? Joe.
Pasquale, when you see the heart, there's often thorns on it. What do the thorns mean?
You see here in the heart, it has the thorns.
Yeah.
What do they mean?
In order to get that, you have to suffer like crazy. At least the first guy does, or the first few. This is why I am going through hell, but I know it will end soon.
Anyone else?
Suffer, my little children. That's the law. If you don't come up through the ranks, you'll never know. I was in the Navy when we received some officer who came up from the ranks. We were happy. When we received that 90-day wonder, we were frightened. Didn't know anything.